Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Jasmy video update for Friday 21 of October. And Jasmy, oh boy Jasmy. All right, so no signs of stopping at all. It's crazy. It has decided to move down, and by the look of things, when Jasmy starts to move, it just moves, endless weeks of red, and then when you come down to that particular level, you can make sudden pumps to the upside, and if you want to then continue down, you can continue down. So it's still looking to come down to 0.001953. We are not done yet. We're far from over, and we're looking for Jasmy to basically make to go to this technical target, and you can see that's going to be 54% more dump to the downside. So by the look of things, we could end up making another red candle next week down to 35. You are at 43 right now, and then make a sideways movement back up to 43, and then continue with the 3 black rows and go finally down there by December. Maybe by December you're gonna have that technical target, or you can have this technical target by November as well. So it's all about reaching down to that particular level. Now keep in mind, it doesn't really mean that if you come down here you cannot go down further. That's a technical target, doesn't mean you cannot go even lower. When the time comes, we're going to talk about that one, and I don't think this needs any explanation. We really need to go above 0.012265. That's when you really invalidate all the bears in the building. That's when it's favorable to say that, hey, an uptrend is in play, because all you did is went down, made a sideways movement known as a bearish rectangle, pop out of it, and you can see it's a continuation to that level. That's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.